Lencho, a hard-working farmer, lives on a lonely hill with his family. His crops are growing well, but the dry land desperately needs rain. He looks up at the sky, hoping for dark clouds. "It's coming," he tells his wife, feeling the cool breeze. Soon, raindrops fall, and his heart fills with joy. He calls the rain gold coins because it will bring a rich harvest. But little does he know, his happiness is about to be crushed by something unexpected. At first, Lencho is thrilled as rain kisses his crops. But joy turns to horror when raindrops become hard, icy hailstones. Within minutes, his fields are shredded, the plants flatten like paper. The storm rages, merciless and deafening. Lencho's heart sinks. His entire harvest is gone. No food, no money, just a barren land. His family watches in silence, their future now as empty as the fields before them. With his fields destroyed, Lencho refuses to give up. He has one hope, God. Grabbing paper, he writes with pure faith, "God, send me 100 pesos to survive." No doubt, no hesitation. He seals the letter, writes to God, and walks to the post office. The workers laugh at first, but Lencho's eyes burn with belief. He drops the letter in the box, certain that God will read it. For him, this isn't crazy, it's the only way. A letter to God. The post office staff chuckles, but the postmaster sees something deeper, unshakable faith. Touched, he hatches a plan. Be God. He gathers donations, scraping together 70 pesos, not 100, but enough. He carefully places the money in an envelope, signs it from God, and sends it to Lencho. He smiles, imagining the farmer's joy. Little does he know, this act of kindness is about to backfire. Lencho tears open the envelope, eyes full of hope. Money. But as he counts, his face darkens. Only 70 pesos? His hands clench. God wouldn't fail him. No, someone stole the rest. His eyes narrow. The post office workers. Those crooks must have taken his money. Instead of feeling grateful, anger boils inside him. He won't let this slide. With burning determination, he grabs a pen. It's time to write again. Furious, Lencho writes to God again. Send the rest. But don't use the post office. Those thieves stole 30 pesos. He drops the letter, convinced God will fix this. The postmaster reads it and laughs in disbelief. They helped him, yet he suspects them? Faith can be powerful, but blind belief can also lead to misjudgment. Lencho's trust in God is unshakable, yet he fails to recognize human kindness. The postmaster's generosity shows that goodness exists, even in unexpected places. However, irony strikes when Lencho, instead of being grateful, suspects his helpers. The story teaches us to have faith, but also to appreciate the kindness around us, instead of doubting it. And that's your chapter, The Letter to God, by Gregorio López y Fuentes. Subscribe for the next chapter and comment what changes you want in the upcoming videos.